spoon or this spoon?
We're rolling.
Welcome to Cooking with Ryan. Today we'll be making cheesy pasta. Wow, that was cheesy. So yeah, let's start. So how you make this is by this. You would firstly get a pot. I'm actually gonna go step by step. Get a pot. You make sure the water is normal. It doesn't have to be cold or hot. And you're gonna make it hot anyway. Now, run it in the tap. I said we should use a wooden spoon.
Seriously, forget about the spoon.
Oh wait, three. That's about right. So I put it down, put it on the fire. There we go. Okay, that's the highest. Now, you wait. Put this on. You're waiting for it to bubble up, so it bubbles really high. Then, we get our handy bowl, pour the pasta in until it's full, and then pour the pasta in the pot. So now, we wait. Oh wait, it's finished. Okay.
You might need a stool.
What? What? I'm a grown man. I don't need a stool.
Ryan, let's
I need a stool. Hey, look, it's a hot tub. Oh, that's for spaghetti. Go down. Go down for me. Wow. Oh, look at it. We're using the wooden spoon. Wooden. Ha! And I don't need a stool. Tasty. I know you want some. What's that? Yum.
Ryan Little.
And that is what you call another epic food made by yours truly. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and press that notification bell to never miss out on that video. Also, check out our playlist so you can watch all my videos where I make the best food you've ever tried, even though you won't be trying it. Bye!